Techie's Hobbies. So today we have an unboxing video of a brand which is considered to be one of the oldest watch brands. So I'm talking about Favre Leuba. So this brand is supposed to be the second oldest Swiss brand, wherein it is registered in 1737. So that is just after Blancpain, which is 1735. So this brand is very much, the oldest, one of the oldest watchmakers, and I'm very excited to unbox this. And this unboxing is not actually about a watch, but it is not about a wristwatch, but this is a pocket watch. So this is my first pocket watch which I'll be unboxing, and I'm very excited on how it will look and what plans I have for it. I will be slowly introducing it to you guys. So I plan to convert it to a wristwatch, but how is that possible? Let's explore that option and see whether it is going to be wearable on my wrist, or how is it too big. Let's see. Let's unbox and see what we have inside. Alright, so this is the pocket watch. As you can see, it looks classic, and it looks quite different from what I have usually, and it's not too big as well. So I believe this is how it's winded. So it started, the watch is running here, and this is how it looks. So this is of course this size is okay, just that I have to maybe find out or maybe do a custom strap for this leather strap so that I can make it a watch. And the dial is quite beautiful, and it looks in very good condition. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the back of the watch has 4736, and the condition wise and overall look and feel of the pocket watch is pretty nice. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know your comments on the video and what I should be doing with this watch. So thanks, bye. This is love.